Hi our fam, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Morgan and I make lots of different types of videos, so go check them out if you want. Today's video is going to be me showing you all the fidgets that I either got in Florida or I brought. So basically all the fidgets I have here on my visit with Florida. But before we get into the video, like, subscribe, and put notifications in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ding, ding, ding. Did you do it? If you did, thank you so much, and feel free to comment. Now let's get right into the video. We are going to start with my squishies and stress balls. I keep them in this kind of crate. I don't know what to call it, but yeah. I'm going to show you them and say if I brought them or got them here, say where they're from. I brought this color changing Neato that I got from Walmart. Love it so much. I got this, I'm not really sure what it's called, but I'm going to call it Stretchy Dude in Florida on the visit here. It is full of sand. And it's super glossy right now just because I washed it yesterday. I got that from Publix. I got this green macaroon in Florida from Five Below. The green macaroon came in a 4-pack. Sadly, the blue macaroon popped. I got this shaggy Neato that I got from Books A Million. Love it. I got this glittery jelly starfish from Cracker Barrel here. Love it so much. It's really glittery, but you can't really see it. This Neato orange from Cracker Barrel. That actually came in a pack, so it came with a Neato strawberry. I love these so much. It also came with a Neato banana, but sadly it came with a hole in it, so I might have to return him. I brought this Orbeez stress ball that's pretty old, so some of them are crushed, but it is still awesome. I got this from trading with my friend, but she did say she got it off of like Amazon online. I also got these 2 mochis from Dollar Store in Florida. They're like the jumbo ones. Now for the squishies. I have this jumbo bear squishy that I brought from New Hampshire. Love it so much. This kind of like medium-sized hamburger that smells like a Big Mac. It is so slow rising. Good quality. I love it so much. This kind of like minier one, this narwhal that has like a strawberry and whipped cream. It's so soft. Smells fruity. And last but not least, I'm pretty sure it's like an animal in a bear costume with like a unicorn. So soft and smells like a mix of chocolate and fruit. That is all my stress balls and squishies. By the way, the reason I said like where they were from is in case you want to buy them. Since I showed you them all, now I'm going to put them away. Okay, I'm back. I put all those fidgets back in its container. Now I'm going to be showing you my other fidgets. These include poppets, dimples, stretchy things, and random. Again, these are not all my fidgets in total. These are the fidgets that I have here in Florida. Okay, so right off the bat, I just have these bags that I kept for like fidget videos. And now let's get into the fidgets. I am keeping them in this like cardboard box. I have this hard shell poppet in the shape of a heart. It pops so well and I love the colors. Since I am filming this on like regular, not YouTube, it will not let me turn the camera. So yeah. But I do have separate videos of showing all my poppets and rating them. So if you want ASMR more close up and seeing the rating of them, go check out on my channel. This Santa hat poppet. By the way, all this stuff I brought from New Hampshire. The only things I bought is stress balls here. Love this so much. This marble square poppet. Oh my god, I forgot to say where I got them. I think I got this from like Burlington or something. Some type of like clothing store. Sorry, I forget. Got this in trading for my friend, so I'm not sure where she got it. And this I got from the same place I got this. I think it was Burlington or Marshall's. This keyboard poppet, I love it so much. I got this from trading with one of my friends, but she said she got it from like online Amazon or something. This octopus flip thing. My dad got this for me for my birthday, but I'm pretty sure he got it from Books A Million. Got this from a friend, so I'm not sure. This heart poppet ball I love so much. Not all of them pop down, but that is what it is with a lot of poppet balls. But I love the color and the sound and the shape. Just love poppet balls. But I got it from my friend in trading, but she got it from Amazon. That's all the poppets I brought. Now I'm showing you the dimples I brought. I only brought 3. I brought this Top Trends watermelon dimple. I got this from Books A Million, but you can also get it from Books A Million, obviously. And I am pretty sure that like Nicole Jacqueline and Mrs. Bench sells them. Same with this. I actually got it in trading with a friend, but they probably got it from Books A Million or something like that, just because it's like Top Trends, I'm pretty sure. But I've seen these on Mrs. Bench's shop, so yeah. And last but not least of the dimples, this planet dimple I got from my friend, but she got it in a fidget pack off of Amazon. Love it. Like I said, that's all the dimples I brought. I didn't bring too much, but here are the stretchy fidgets I brought. So I brought these 3 little textured unicorn stretchy things I got from my friend, so I'm not sure where she got them. Also, sorry for the background noise. There is a washer running the dish machine, and we have a bird that is very loud. Moose! I'm right here! Anyway, sorry I do not know where these are, but you can get them in a lot of places, but I love these. I brought these noodles. I love these so much. So much. I got these from Books A Million. Oh my god. I just ripped it off. It's okay. I love these though. Again, I got them from Its-Mog. Also, I'm just saying where I got them in case you want to get them, but there is probably other places you can get them. That's just where I got this stuff. Just trying to help you. Last but not least of the stretchy things, these Fruit Loops things. I got the watermelon flavor ones. At first, like when I got them, they smelled like watermelon. But I've had them for a while. I got them for Books A Million. They feel amazing. And yeah, they actually look like them. Comes with 3. So yeah. And last but not least, these are my random fidgets I brought. I brought this little soccer ball spinner. I got this from one of my friends. I'm not sure where she got it. Got this medallion. I honestly forget the name of the shop that my dad sent us, but it was from my dad, some online shop. But it is medallion. I love it so much. And last but not least, this tangle. I got this from the dollar store. I love it so much. actually had this for a while. So yeah, that is all my fidgets I have with me in Florida. I love these fidgets, but I am missing my fidgets at home, and my family and friends. But it is August 4th, and I'm actually going back to New Hampshire to my mom where I live August 9th. So that's in 5 days. I mean, that's really soon. So I'm excited, but at the same time, I mean, I'm gonna miss my dad and brother in the warmth here. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. This was kind of a long video, 10 minutes long for me. I usually don't make like long videos, but thank you so much for the support. I really do appreciate it. I'm just a little channel and I am growing, so I'm so happy that there is a growing heart fam. I cannot talk today, but I just appreciate it because I'm honestly not the best at making videos. I barely can talk and I feel like I just mess up all the time. I just want to make like good quality videos for you guys, and I feel like I can't do that, but thank you so much for the support anyways, and thanks for watching. Have a great day. Feel free to comment on any of my videos of like what you recommend, like what type of videos you would want to watch. Anyway, again, have a good day. Bye.